Greetings, this is Brian Terrian from the Disability Digest, and you are looking at my screen showing you a picture of the Disability Insurance Month website that we have up here from our partner at Meet Breeze. I'm shooting this video and putting out this message because May is Disability Insurance Month. That's one. Two, the biggest problem that I've seen since I've been doing this work since 2006 is in helping people get their benefits, keep their benefits, and maximizing their benefits is one's ability to survive the wait from when an accident or a sickness prevents them from working. From that period of time, how do they survive from that point to getting their Social Security disability approved? So in today's environment, when I'm recording this, you can conservatively expect an initial application decision. I'm not saying this is an award, just the decision on your initial application in around 9 months. It should be 5, but we still have kind of a COVID hangover. If it doesn't get approved there, it's likely going to go to a hearing that could be at about 3 years. So you have 9 months of money or like 3 years of money. That's the problem that needs to be solved. And it can be done with disability income insurance. And I'm going to go through and actually show you how much it costs in this video. And then at the end, I'll give you some next steps, how from the convenience of your home or your phone, you can get a quote. You could get a quote for, maybe you're already approved for disability, but you have a spouse that's working or family members that you know that this would apply to. You can punch in their information and say, hey, maybe you should take a look at this. So I'll help you do that at the end, and it could solve a big problem. Listen, I've seen people lose their house, lose their cars, have to take their kids out of their school, have to move in with family members, just devastation, and it doesn't need to be that way. Okay, so here we go. First of all, if you're trying to get disability income insurance, let me just back up a little bit. Disability income insurance is an insurance that you purchase while you're still working, so that in the event that you have to stop working, you have your income coming in. The typical formula is you can purchase a dollar amount on a monthly basis, usually up to 60% of your income. And what that allows you to do is it allows you to have money so that you can keep your house, keep your car, but most importantly for your long-term finances is to stay in treatment. Because if you don't stay in treatment and don't have the finances to pay your insurance and go to the doctor, then it makes it very difficult to get your Social Security disability income approved, your long-term disability income approved. So that's the problem that it solves here. Okay. Now I'm going to go down here and go through some different pricing. Now this is based on a 40-year-old. Going to go through light labor, somebody that does some light labor type of work, and then I'll go through an example of somebody who does like administrative work. A few things to consider here. If you're over or under 40, then the pricing is going to be different. If you're over 50, you'll be subject to a medical exam. So if you have significant pre-existing conditions, you might not be eligible to get it. Just want to let you know. If you're under 50, then there is no medical examination required. It's just priced out and you're in. So if you're listening to this or you know of somebody that's under 50, it's definitely the time to get your disability income insurance. You do need to be working more than 30 hours a week. All right, so here's a few examples. For somebody that's working light labor and is a male and wants to get $800 a month, they would pay $23. So you pay $23 a month if you can't work because of an accident or a sickness, then you get $800 a month. That goes up to $22.70 a month for just $58. So for $58, depending on what your house and your expenses are, you can lock in some pretty stable cash flow. Now, This is going to be on the higher end of the pricing because of the type of work that it is. So I'm going to scroll down here, and this is defined as like an office job that has very few hazards. Accountant, software engineer, something like that. So you see for $3,300 it's $49. So up here it was $58 for $22.70. So your job influences type of work that you do, influences the price that you would pay. So for $49 to $80 a month, you can secure $3,300. So that kind of gives you an idea. It's not a lot of money, folks, to secure your finances and your family. So the next steps are, this is a Disability Digest page. We have partnered with Meet Breeze, and on this page that will be somewhere around the video, you can come in here and you can watch this extended video that shows you how to go through and get a quote, or if you just want to have at it and go through and quote yourself, click on this green button right here on the right, and that will get you a quote. If you're like, you know what, I just would like to have you guys quote it for me, then click the green button on the left, fill out the form, and we will contact you and go through your options with you. So I hope you find this helpful, and either for yourself or for somebody else out there, that you can help them secure their finances, keep their house, keep their car, keep the kids in school if they're in private school. Most importantly, pay for their health care so long term they could get their Social Security disability benefits approved. So here at the Disability Digest, if you like the work that we do, which we certainly hope you do, we encourage you to subscribe, ring the bell if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're not a member with us, then we encourage you to stay tuned for other videos where you can join us as a member so that we can help you with a customized approach. So for now, just look around. You'll find this page right here where you can either get a quote or click for help. All right, make it a great day. Thanks.